All right, so one of the realtors in my program went from 0 deals, 0 leads, 0 views, 300 followers to 1.3 million views, 15 active buyers, 2 listings, and plus 3,000 followers in just 45 days. And if you needed the proof, here it is. 1.3 million viewers, 1.3 million views, an increase in 57,473 views since October 1st to November 25th. So what kind of videos is this gentleman shooting, you might ask? Well, I have him shooting property tour videos, and as you can see, the views he's getting is absolutely fucking sick. 43,000, 20,000, 10,000, 13,000, 10,000, 11,000, 14,000, 10,000, 12,000, 21,000, 15K, 21K, and it goes on and on and on. Now, I had another gentleman in my program that was almost seemed like he was giving up. He was missing some videos. I had to have a talk with me like, bro, you cannot miss videos. I'm telling you exactly what's going to happen. Nothing is going to happen, and it's going to suck until one day it doesn't. And for no good reason at all, one of your videos is going to randomly get 10,000 views, and then it's going to lift up all of the views on the rest of your videos, and suddenly you're going to understand exactly why you're doing this. Lo and behold, his last 3 videos now, 26,000, 10,000, 7,000. Why did this happen? Because this video went over 10K. It lifted up the views on this video, which lifted up the views on this video. Now, I see this rhetoric on social media all over the place. These are property tour videos. People are saying, yo, property tour videos don't work. You're not building a real business if you do property tour videos and all this stuff. They fucking work, man. Okay, I know this is nothing crazy. I've probably made 250K just this year, just off of property tour videos. That doesn't account for other videos I shoot, my YouTube. That doesn't account for referrals and repeat business and all this other stuff, just off the property tour videos. And now I've trained 6, 7, probably 8 people on how to shoot these videos properly. And 3 or 4 of those people are already making 200 grand this year, just shooting property tour videos. They freaking work, man. I don't know why people are saying these videos don't work. All they are is a conversion ad. You can literally take these videos and run ad spend through them, and it will do the exact same thing as you just doing Facebook ads. The only difference is it's free and it's a brand awareness ad. So not only do you potentially get to convert leads right off of these videos, like exactly how a Facebook ad would work, but you also get the brand awareness from, say, buying up a bunch of bus benches would give you, because people are seeing your face all the time. They're watching your videos. They follow you. Oh, and here's the other thing, is they're also a retargeting Facebook ad for free, because people follow you and then they watch your other tour videos. So now you're retargeting all of these people. You're bringing new people into the funnel who could potentially buy right off that first video. And then you're retargeting these videos or these followers with the subsequent videos that you put out. So they're absolutely fucking amazing, man. Like, I've had so many people see such amazing results off of these videos, and they're so brain dead. The only thing you need to think about is, where is the property that I am going to shoot today? You don't have to think about what to say. You don't have to craft all these hooks and all this stuff. You literally just, hey, for 450,000, this is what you can get in Surrey. And if you do this once a day and you never freaking miss, you will start getting clients. You will start getting reach outs. The biggest problem is that people will do this for 20 days, be like, it doesn't work, I can't get more than 200 views. They don't iterate, they don't try to improve, they give up. And that is exactly why this space will never be saturated, no matter how many people are shooting property tour videos, because 6 months from now, 99% of them are gonna give up and stop shooting property tour videos. But I'm telling you, if you just do this once a day and you keep doing it, you will start to see massive results from doing it. And the thing I love so much about social media is that every year it sucks less. It all fucking sucks. No matter what you choose to prospect, get new business, whatever the case, it all sucks. The main difference is that next year, calling is gonna suck just as much as it did this year. Door knocking is gonna suck just as much as it did this year. Social media is not gonna suck as much as it did this year, because you're gonna have more followers, you're gonna be getting more results for the same amount of effort, and you're also gonna get quicker and faster at making the videos. As an example, I can do a whole week's worth of content in an hour. And if I actually sat down, focused, and wanted to pump all the content out for a week, I could. I don't. I just do it as it comes into my mind because, again, it only takes me 5 minutes to make a video. So I don't need to worry about crafting out time in my schedule to make my social media content because it takes me so little time as it is. But if I really wanted to, I could sit down for an hour, make all my content for the entire week, and then be done with it. And I would probably get better results, or probably 2 or 3 times more results than somebody who sits in their office and calls for 3 hours a day. Now, there's a lot of people who are good at calls that will probably get more results than me for actually putting in that effort. But for 99% of people, I'm probably going to get 5 times more results than somebody who sits in an office and makes 50 calls a day for 3 hours a day by doing an hour of content a week. And that's the beautiful thing about social media is it starts to compound. The more people you have inside the funnel, you have to do less. You can do less work each year to reach the same amount of people, which no other avenue of marketing is going to be able to do for you. And the beautiful thing about all of this is you can take in all of these leads that reach out to you, put them in a CRM, and just retarget them with a newsletter. So now they can buy off the video, you're following up with the social media, and then you can put them into the newsletter and straight up promote through the newsletter and just be like, yo, I have this project coming up, buy it. This is all the reasons why I think you can buy it. You can promote a lot more in the newsletter as opposed to the content. You're just kind of showing them what's possible. But the newsletter is where you're like straight up, yo, buy this. This is why I think you should buy it. So everything you can do with paid ads or door knocking or any of these other forms of marketing, you can do with social media. And it just sucks way less. And I've had so many people have absolutely insane results leveraging social media. So if you want to find out what this is all about, I myself, this is all I do. I don't do any other form of prospecting. And I make several hundreds of thousands of dollars per year, not to brag or whatever, but you should probably understand that it does frickin' work. I have a link down there that you can book a time to chat with me. We can talk about what that looks like. I'm that Agent Kelly, and I'm making moves to move